you buy from the cafe car on the lower level, please find an appropriate trash receptacle and throw away the refuse. Keeping the car clean makes the trip more pleasant for everyone. Once again, welcome aboard Amtrak. May I have your attention, please? 6:45. 6:45 p.m. reservation. Your tables are ready.
Advertisers for the dining car. Where's he from? That exit. It's
Chicago.
Chicago. It's from somewhere before then, I think.
Chicago. From Italy.
He's also Italian.
His family's from Italy.
Is that it? Oh yes, Italian. But George is Argentinian with an Italian accent, which is a bit strange.
And then we've got Jose is Spanish, Mexican.
Okay, yes.
So do you guys do the same route?
Yeah, I've just been awarded this job right here.
Okay.
Because I used to go on to Chicago, New Orleans,
Wow.
and do the surf liners up and down from San Diego to San Luis. But I like this train. I like the people that are on it. They're so nice. The people are so nice. Majority. And I work 4 days and I get 6 off.
Oh, so that works.
And I love it. You can't get anything more beautiful than a run like this when I actually get to sit on the train.
Where's your base then? Where do you
In LA.
Oh,
This
LA.
is the train's based in LA.
Yeah. So you live in LA basically. That's where your home is.
Yeah, I'm in between Los Angeles and San Diego.
Oh, okay.
But then, you know, I'm working I work 4 days, but with 4 long days.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Sometimes they're 14, 15 hours a day that I work. And so for 2 days of my 6, I'm just fast asleep. We just go to sleep for 2 days, you know. Try and get your act together. You're out there busy doing something and all of a sudden you're like, you have to go and sit down or something. But you just get a mindset when you get on the train because you know you're not going to get to sleep.